Bollywood stars who went to vacation during pandemic. Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt. Recently, the couple were spotted at the Mumbai airport while they jetted off to their destination of vacation, Maldives. Since the lockdown got lifted, Alia Bhatt visited Maldives several times amidst this pandemic. Tiger Shroff and Disha Patani. Tiger Shroff and Disha often go on trips to exotic places, and there was no stopping to that even during the COVID crisis. The couple went for vacation to Maldives in these crucial times when the country is suffering from the second wave. Shraddha Kapoor. Beautiful Bollywood actress Shraddha Kapoor went to Maldives to attend her cousin Priyanka Sharma's wedding. Soon after that, the actress again visited Maldives for vacation purpose amidst this presence of COVID. Katrina Kaif. During the end of last year, Katrina Kaif too went on a vacation at the exotic location of Maldives even though COVID was still present. Sara Ali Khan. She has become one of the daily commuters of Maldives as Sara often gets spotted there. The young actress often chatted off with her mother, Amrita Singh, and brother Ibrahim for Maldives during this pandemic. Janhvi Kapoor. Recently, the actress went to Maldives and shared amazing pictures from her vacation. When Janhvi went to Maldives, Maharashtra already started battling with the second wave of COVID-19. Ananya Pandey and Ishan Khattar. To ring in the new year, two star kids of Bollywood, Ishan and Ananya went to Maldives. Kiara Advani and Siddharth Malhotra. The lovebirds of Bollywood, Kiara and Siddharth to spend their new year at Maldives while COVID did not leave the country. Nusrat Bharucha. The actress too went for vacation at Maldives after the lockdown got lifted up. Taapsee Pannu. While government requested people not to go outside their homes if not necessary, Taapsee went to Maldives for vacation last year. Shilpa Shetty. The stunning actress too enjoyed her lovely vacation at Maldives with family while India suffered the second wave. Madhuri Dixit. While COVID is showering its wrath upon the country, Madhuri Dixit, who makes people aware on social media, went to Maldives for vacation. Moni Roy. This TV actress turned Bollywood actress too went to Maldives to have quality time there, while people suffered in country. Dia Mirza. After her wedding, Dia too went to Maldives with husband amidst this COVID crisis. Neha Dhupia and Angad Bedi. This Bollywood actress, who uses her social media to aware people, went with husband Angad and daughter Meher to Maldives.